Good morning, everybody. In today's class, we shall be looking to the next chapter, that is chapter number 4, Noun Gender. The last class in which we have completed lesson 1 to 4, in which we have done all the exercises as well as the definition. So, in today's class, we are going to begin with the definition of gender. Let us understand what is gender. Okay. So, see that gender is what? Gender indicates whether a person or an animal is male or female. When we talk on gender, so first of all, we have to consider that the gender is whether a male or female, whether we are talking about a person who is male or female. Clear? So the word gender, the word gender, the word gender is somewhere originated from the Latin word which mean genus. Okay, the Latin word genus, clear, which mean kind or sort. We have taken this word from Latin word genus, which means kind or sort. Clear? So that is gender. See this. When we talk about genders of noun, we have to think whether the noun refers to human, animals, or non-living object. Okay. Gender does not refer only people or only humans. It refers animal as well as non-living things and living things. So four of the things means people, about human, then animal, then a living object as well as a non-living object. So here we are talking about the types of. Then we will talk later. So gender is what is talking about the person who is male and female. Then after a person who is living and non-living. How? We will see later. See, in case of human, male and female are always referred to differently. So when we talk about human, okay, when we talk about gender and human, so in case of humans, whether we have a male person or we have a female person, so they always referred to differently, male and female. In case of animal, the gender may or not may be used depending on the situation. When we talk on animals, so that gender may be used or may not be used, that is depending upon the situation. I will explain you down. When planets, although living or not thought as male or female, are treated like object, planets, although they are living, okay, but they are not thought as they are male or female, they are living objects. So in that case we do not know they are male or female, so they are treating like a object. Clear? Student, I am talking about your book, page number 21. Those who have opened your book, please go. Those who have not opened your book, please open your book, page number 24. So I am talking about this full page. Okay, so these things you have got here, page number 21. Now turn over the page. We have types of gender. So here we have see that four types of gender we have. In your book there is only three types of gender given, but as I am explaining, I will explain all four. So in English language, the genders are having four kinds. Okay, four kinds. Here I have given one. See that masculine gender. The first one is masculine gender. What is masculine gender? A noun which denotes a male person or an animal is known as masculine gender. A noun which denotes a male person or a male animal is known as a masculine gender. Okay, see the example: boy, 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 brother. Okay, father, husband, uncle. So they all are referred to as male person. A boy definitely will be a male, father will be a male person, a husband will be a male person, brother will be a king will be always a male person. So these words are always referred to a male person. Clear? Now see the second one, feminine gender. So a noun which denotes female person and animal is known as feminine gender. Example: sister, girl, mother, wife, aunt, witch, queen, daughter. So these words always going to refer to to the person who are feminine by their gender. Okay, so these two, feminine gender and masculine gender. Feminine gender is those types of gender which always represent the male personality of person or animal. And what about feminine gender? So feminine gender are that types of gender which shows the female character of animal and uh, female gender of animal and human. Now the next two is, number 3 is common gender and number 4 is neuter gender. Okay, now what is common gender? So common gender refers to the name of both girls and boys. See the word common, COMMON. The word common means that is general to both, common to both gender. If the word is common, that can be used for both gender, means uh, feminine gender as well as masculine gender. So this is the question, the word doctor. Okay, doctor, visitor, cousin, relative, nurse, friend, manager and singer. A doctor can be male and female. A doctor can be male and female in the same. A nurse can be male or female. A visitor can be male and a female. A friend, he can be male and can be female. Cousin also the same. Manager, relative and singer. So these words are common for both types of gender. Relative, feminine gender as well as masculine gender. So the gender which is common for both types of gender, masculine and feminine, is known as common gender. Okay, now this common gender is not given in your book, student, so that is why I am giving here. You can please note down in your copy whatever definitions are given here in this video. You can okay, one PDF also will be sent, but I am just explaining you that you have to write in your fair copy. Clear? Okay, what about the fourth one, neuter gender? Neuter gender refers to the name of things and objects. Neuter genders are those types of genders which refers to the things and objects. See the word eraser, shoes, chocolates, car, desk, bus, book and pants. So these are the words which represents things and objects. So neuter gender are that types of gender in which there is no life, they are objects. Eraser is an object, shoe is object, desk is object, bus is thing, book is things, pants are also thing and object. So these are things which does not have a life, they are non-living things. So the things so the things and the object which is not living, non-living things are come in a category of neuter gender. Clear? In your first exercise, see, first exercise I will explain. See, the first exercise is given in your book, page number 21. I will because here answer only given for your explanation, I will read exercise from your book and then after will explain you with the help of these answer. You can please open your book, page number 21. See, the first exercise says that change the gender of the nouns and pronouns in the following sentences. First one is, the king's bride was beautiful young woman. First says is king's, King, king's bride. So that is D. Okay. So what you have to change? See, the answer says the queen's bridegroom. The gender of king will be converted into queen and bride will be bridegroom. So here that was changed. Okay, so the word beautiful, as it was written bride, so for bride is a girl. Okay, it's a lady. So for bride it is used beautiful. But here we are talking about groom, bridegroom. So that is why handsome is given. Young woman. Now woman is converted into young man. Clear? So the king's bride was beautiful young woman. Answer will be the queen's bridegroom was a handsome young man. Clear? Now second one is, Second says, from a book I will read, the emperor received the duke with the little respect. The emperor received the duke with little respect. Now, first of all, oh sorry, duke is given now. Okay, see the word duchess, and also emperor given, no, on the place of emperor given empress. So emperor, see that Emperor and duke. The word empress will be used in the place of emperor, and duchess will be used at the place of duke. So the empress received the duchess with a little respect. What will be answer? The empress received the duchess with a little respect. Clear? Third one. Third one says, a gentleman is known by his manners. Gentleman. So gentleman. Now gentleman is just converted into a lady. Now his manner is given, so that will be changed into her. So a lady is known by her manners. Okay. Student, this is not us. Okay, this is. It is maybe typing mistake. So a lady is known. Okay, a lady is known. Please do right thing when you write in your copy. So that is why I am explaining. If any is misspelled you have, please make it correct. Okay, that is, a lady is known by her manners. Clear? Number 4 says, her mother gave her a suit on her birthday. Her mother gave her. So her mother will change into his father. Okay, gave her a suit. So gave her will be changed into him. Her birthday will be changed into his birthday. So his father gave him a suit on his birthday. Number 5. The lion bounded out of the cage and escapes to freedom. It's talking about the lioness. Lion will change into lioness. The lioness bounded out of the cage, escaped to freedom. Clear? Now number 6, his mother is a learned lady. So his father is a learned gentleman will be. Now 7 will be, the mark of a brave warrior is that she is frightened and yet fight for her motherland. And a question says that the mark of a brave warrior is that he is frightened, so that he will be changed into she. A warrior can be a male as well as a female. His motherland will be, that is of okay, his fatherland changes into her motherland. Okay, in the same 8 will be, now 8 will be, the teacher asked the boy to draw a picture of goose. Okay, so goose will be gander and teacher asked the girl. These two will change. Number 9, not only his mother but the chairperson of the citizens movement, she is also the principal of the local schools girl. Okay, so not only her father, it will be her father, chairperson of citizens movement he has. Now she will be he. The principal of local school girls will be local boys school. Clear? He thinks, 10th one, he thinks that being rich he can get whatever he wants. Okay, so he thinks that being rich she can get, she will be both in what the she will be answer. Clear? So page number 1 we have completed, student. Now you can open page number 26. You can open page number 26. Here we find changing gender of noun. Here we find changing gender. How can we change gender? Okay, first of all we can use es. By using es, how can we change gender? So we can change gender by using es. See the word baron, baron. When we use es in baron, that becomes baroness, barones. So by using ess we can use we can make masculine gender into feminine one. Clear? Now priest, priest. Priest will be priestess. Okay, by using es it becomes priestess. So priest will be male and then priestess will be female. Lion and lioness, lion, lion plus es becomes lioness. Clear? Now the second part says of your book, page number 23, says that uh, by slighting changing to the form of the masculine gender, then adding es, slighting change. Now first point was this. Here in second point we are going to have some slighting changing and then we make 1 to 1. See that god, god, god. What will be the feminine gender? Will be goddess. What a slight change we had. See that what consonants we add here. We just made a double one. So that becomes dess, goddess. So that was the slight change we are talking about in this heading. So by slighting changing the form, the masculine noun and then adding the word suffix, the word ess, emperor. See, the next word is emperor, emperor. What is the feminine word? See the empress. That will be empress. So see that something has been changed here. Okay, so that was the slight change I told you. So due to that we can add and we can make some slice. We can make some slight change. Then the next word is waiter. Waiter. What is the answer? Will be waitress, waitress. See that is the slight change that we are talking about. Clear? Now see the third heading, by using a different word. By using different word, now we can make. By using different word means we are not going to change any letter in the given word. Here we have to use a different one for making into feminine of it. See that the word father. Father will be mother. So there are two different words. Okay, then again brother and sister. Boy, boy, boy will be girl. So for this there are two different words we have used here. You can now turn over the page. You can please turn over the page. This is the last page of this chapter. So here the last is saying that changing gender of compound noun. Okay, changing gender of compound noun. What about compound noun? Compound noun. See that if any noun is compound noun, so in that condition how we can change. So the first word is given grandfather. Grandfather. So that will be grandmother. Okay. Then landlord. Landlord for male. Then a landlady for female. Okay. Peacock. Peacock will be hen. So these are the compound and in which first letter will be same, then we are going to add the different one in the next word. Clear? So these things, all this chapter is clear, that till much is given in your book. Exercise 2 I will explain you. Exercise B. Okay. Exercise B is saying that match the animal to its masculine and feminine noun. Okay. So here the word goose, then goose answer will be C. And then Okay, student, that I will explain later because now